Put away.
Put away.
She ironed the clothes, folded them, and put them away on the table.
He put away the dishes after dinner.
Turn away.
Turn away.
They turned away the latecomers.
The club turned him away for not following the dress code.
Come around.
Come around.
Why don't you come around for dinner?
She came around to our way of thinking.
Set off.
Set off.
They set off early to avoid traffic.
They set off on their trip to Europe.
Turn off.
Turn off.
She turned off the TV after the movie ended.
Don't forget to turn off the lights before leaving.
Turn in.
Turn in.
I'm tired. I'm going to turn in for the night.
She turned in and read a book before sleeping.
Call up.
Call up.
I'll call you up later.
She called up her friend to chat.
Ask for.
Ask for.
She asked for more details.
She asked for help with her homework.
Come up with.
Come up with.
He came up with a brilliant plan.
They need to come up with a solution.
Get in.
Get in.
She got in the car and drove away.
He got in through the back door.
Get out.
Get out.
Get out of the rain before you get soaked.
She got out of the taxi.
Let in.
Let in.
Please let me in. It's cold outside.
They let in a few guests early.
Turn away.
Turn away.
They turned away the latecomers.
The club turned him away for not following the dress code.